From precision engineering to luxury in the skies, witness how the Etihad Airways Airbus A380 comes to life.
Every system, every surface, crafted to perfection before its first flight.
Every Etihad Airways Airbus A380 begins deep within the Earth.
Refined into aerospace-grade aluminum for the skies. Forged into the structural backbone of flight.
Shaped with precision, measured in microns.
Advanced composites add strength without weight.
Heat and pressure fuse strength into structure.
Titanium reinforces the aircraft's core strength.
Engineering precision defines every curve.
Every millimeter verified before assembly. Even the smallest bolt carries massive responsibility. These beams will lift over 500 tons into the sky.
Power components crafted for long-haul endurance.
Electrical systems prepared to command flight. Every part prepared for the journey to final assembly.
Now the Etihad Airways Airbus A380 begins its path to final assembly.
Massive components begin their carefully coordinated journey.
Precision logistics protect every critical structure.
Across oceans, the aircraft takes shape piece by piece.
Each movement choreographed for absolute safety.
Protected transport ensures flawless arrival. Now, the true assembly begins.
The wings arrive, engineered for intercontinental reach.
Power units prepared for long-haul endurance.
Verification follows every kilometer traveled.
Now precision replaces distance.
Environment controlled for structural perfection.
Alignment determines the future of flight.
Nothing moves without documented precision.
The Etihad Airways Airbus A380 is ready to become whole.
Inside these walls, engineering ambition becomes airborne reality.
Scale here is measured in thousands of tons.
Precision must meet perfection.
Tolerance measured thinner than a human hair.
Thousands of fasteners bind strength into structure.
The skeleton of a double-deck giant takes form.
Now the wings must meet the body.
Each wing spans nearly the length of a football field.
Balance is engineered, not assumed.
Symmetry defines stability at altitude.
The aircraft now gains its towering signature. Control surfaces prepare to command the sky. Strength to support 560 tons.
Every seam tells a story of precision.
The giant now stands, awaiting its heart.
Before it flies, it must first awaken. Digital life flows through the aircraft's veins. More than 500 kilometers of wiring connect every system. The brain of the aircraft takes shape. Hydraulics will command movement with invisible force. Every motion must respond without hesitation. Fuel systems prepare for transcontinental journeys. Power will soon hang beneath these wings. Cabin comfort begins long before passengers board. Command systems respond with flawless precision. Even the heaviest structures move with control. Lift is engineered long before takeoff.
Millions of lines of code unify metal and motion.
The structure now prepares to welcome luxury.
With systems alive, the giant awaits its engines.
Now the heart of the giant is revealed. Precision lifting replaces brute force. One engine secured. Balance begins.
Power must communicate with every system on board.
Symmetry ensures stable thrust.
Every millimeter defines aerodynamic harmony.
Consistency is the language of engineering. The giant now has its 4 beating hearts.
Integrity is verified before ignition.
Digital intelligence now governs mechanical power.
Encased, streamlined, ready for airflow.
Before fire, rotation must prove flawless.
Stability ensures endurance at 40,000 feet. Power integration is complete. With strength secured, luxury now takes its place. Structure transforms into experience.
So if you find a very here's 15 up, you know.
The foundation of comfort must be immovable. Luxury begins one suite at a time. Precision seating, engineered for long-haul journeys.
Efficiency meets comfort across 2 decks.
Every airflow and light is engineered to perfection. Luxury is completed with a human touch.
Every onboard facility meets Etihad's luxury standards.
A private apartment above the clouds. Service systems power global hospitality. Hidden systems maintain operational reliability.
Lighting defines atmosphere before takeoff.
Technology personalizes every journey.
Invisible systems sustain visible elegance. Every detail measured for refinement. Command center prepared for global routes. Luxury verified before passengers arrive. The Giant is now ready for final testing.
Before it touches the sky, every inch is examined.
Brains and brawn must synchronize perfectly.
Every movement calibrated for precision flight. Power begins with controlled ignition.
Command systems respond instantly and reliably.
All systems communicate seamlessly before departure.
Stopping power is as critical as lift.
Even the auxiliary heart must beat flawlessly.
Connection ensures every corner of the aircraft is ready.
Every surface, every system cleared for operation.
Mobility verified before first flight.
Flight surfaces respond flawlessly as one system.
All systems green. Clearance granted for takeoff preparations. And this is how Etihad Airways Airbus A380 is born, from assembly to ready for the skies.
The Giant awakens for its first adventure.
Approval granted. The aircraft is ready for takeoff.
The journey from assembly hall to runway begins.
Every meter brings the Giant closer to the sky.
And this is how Etihad Airways Airbus A380 begins its first flight into history.